Hey beauties, your girl Dimepiece back with another beauty tutorial with Fashion Source Wigs, sister brand of Raw-Stuff-Free Braid, here to show you the new unit, the RHTP Shyanne, that you can wear in two ways. But first, before we get into it, click the notification bell so you get all the alerts on new videos, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to like the video. So of course, this is their Wig2Pony, double the style, half wig and ponytail duo. So here's just one of the many styles that you can rock with the RHTP Shyanne, and I'm wearing color TT1B/bronze. Be sure to follow Fashion Source Wigs at FS_wigs and their sister brand Raw-Stuff-Free Braid at Raw-Stuff-Free Braid. All right, so right now I'm rocking the first hairstyle. It's a ponytail because it comes with a drawstring. Right here is the packaging that the RHTP Shyanne comes in, and it has directions, different ways that you can rock the Wig2Pony, doubling the style with the half wig ponytail duo. So let's go ahead and remove the unit from the box. It comes packaged safely in the packaging just like this. And I really love this color. Once again, it's a TT1B/bronze. And you get an info card that tells you all you need to know on how to take care of your RHTP Shyanne unit. And it's curling iron safe, beauties. It takes up to 360 degrees of heat. No matter how you decide to wear your RHTP Shyanne half wig and ponytail duo, it comes equipped with combs and adjustable straps with a breathable lace cap for a comfortable and secure fit. Also, if you decide to wear it in a high or a low ponytail, it comes with a drawstring to make sure your ponytail stays locked in. Alright, so now it's time for the fun part, beauties. Let's go ahead and put on the RHTP Shyanne unit. So I went ahead and slicked my hair back in a ponytail. The first style I'm going to show you is how to wear it as a half wig. So grab the combs and go ahead and put it as close as you can to your perimeter. And it's that easy. You can just wear it like this with minimal leave out. And if you really want to give it a nice elegant touch, go ahead and add a headband or a scarf. So super easy, you just tie it around how you like. Concealing where you clip the combs to your hair, and boom, now you're rocking it as a half wig with a headband. Looks so natural. Alright, so the next style I'm going to show you is how to wear it in a ponytail. So again, I'm wearing it in a slick ponytail. This time I put my ponytail higher, and you see where the drawstring is? That's where you're going to adjust how tight and snug you would want your ponytail to be. So go ahead and adjust the combs into the top part of your ponytail. Then you grab the back and tighten up the drawstring, and there you are. Now you're rocking your high pony. So I love getting creative with all my Fashion Source units. So I actually created another style. This one, a side perimeter French braid. And you don't even have to be the best of a French braider. I'm not. I just had some fun and just braided along the side. And I wanted to add more flair and style to it. So I added some gold clips. Super easy. Get creative. There's so many styles and ways that you can style this particular unit, the RHTP Shyanne Wig2Pony half wig and ponytail duo. Double the style or make as many styles as you like. And the color that I'm wearing, you guys, is TT1B bronze, but it comes in so many other colors. So again, you guys, grab yourself the RHTP Shyanne Wig2Pony half wig and ponytail duo. Double up the style, get creative, and get yours today, available at your local beauty supply store. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.